One of the biggest deterrents why many companies, large and small, prefer not to embark on litigation is, quite simply, cost. When you add in the risk of losing the case and the prospect of paying the other party's fees as well, it's no wonder that many decide not to proceed. But here at Ford Simey, an exciting new alternative is being offered. U-Gain is, quite simply, a groundbreaking solution in commercial disputes which is free of both cost and risk.
It is a very exciting initiative for us. It means that we're able to offer our clients, both individuals and businesses, the ability to bring a claim in the commercial environment without having to worry about paying our costs or the other side's costs, even if they lose the case. Now, in talking to clients and in talking to our other introducers, such as accountants, what we found is that there is very little knowledge of this type of funding package. Nationally, less than 10% of cases are brought using this funding package. For us and for our clients, it really is a win-win solution.
Ford Simey can offer this service as a result of close cooperation with insurers such as Temple. We establish the issues of each case with all our clients and assess the risks before any litigation starts. There are, however, qualifying criteria.
Firstly, it has to be a commercial dispute worth over £5,000. Secondly, it has to have good prospects of success. Thirdly, we have to be sure of recovering both our costs and the insurance premium from the other side.
So what exactly is the insurance premium? What does it cover? And how come you don't have to pay?
The insurance premium is payable at the end of the litigation. It's contingent upon the successful outcome of the litigation. And it covers your liability for your opponent's costs, your disbursements, which include things like experts' fees, and the premium, most importantly. So in the event that the case is unsuccessful, not only are you covered for your liability for your opponent's costs, but you're also covered for your disbursements, and there is no premium to pay.
The position that exists now, and which is endorsed by U-Gain, is that the solicitor works under conditional fee agreement. That is a document, a retainer that has been made so by Parliament and endorsed by the courts, so that when matters do not succeed for any reason whatsoever, the client does not have any monies to pay to the solicitor. In the event that the matter succeeds, then the solicitor is perfectly able to limit his charges to that which he recovers from the opponent. So under no circumstances is the client expected to meet any and pay any monies to the solicitor for his costs.
Ford Simey is currently one of the few law firms based in the southwest to offer this, and interest in U-Gain has been strong amongst local businesses.
I think businesses these days are very focused on cost as we emerge from recession, and this gives businesses absolute assurance of where they stand and their exposure to costs if they're going to take legal action against someone.
So would you be interested in recommending this?
Very much so.
In the main, it sounds very interesting and very attractive. Anything that makes it easier for clients to take legitimate actions, then I think that's got to be a good thing.
I think this is a fine example of something that we can offer as a choice to the client when we're actually marketing our particular products to them.
So who is likely to benefit from this scheme?
The two main groups where it's going to be particularly useful are first, the man or woman in the street up against a large institution or company, what I would call the David and Goliath scenario. Secondly, the pure commercial environment, business against a business. It could be, say, for a professional negligence case, or it could be a breach of contract, or it could be a commercial property dispute. However, this funding package isn't going to be utilised in the average family dispute or a dispute with neighbours, say a boundary dispute or a dispute over a will.
So, on the one hand, individuals now have the potential to take on the big players. And on the other, if you are a business, no matter what size, legal costs may no longer have to eat into your profit margins. So align your interests with Ford Simey's expertise, backed up by their approved insurers, safe in the knowledge that with UGain, you don't pay lawyers' costs, either your own or the other side's, irrespective of the outcome of the case.